everyone, how are you all are doing? I hope you all are doing great. So I'm Siddhi, and today in this video I'm going to talk about basically reading skill and writing skill. So again, this video will be very interesting. So please watch till the end. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. So now talking about like reading skill. Before talking about reading skill and writing skill, I would like to make sure that if you didn't watch my previous video, which I have uploaded already yesterday, so please go and check it out. Then you can watch this video. Uh, because I have already spoke about these two steps like listening skill and speaking skill, and in this video I'm going to talk about only reading skill and writing skill. So as we know that there is a method and it has four steps. The first step is listening, then speaking, then reading, and then writing. So this method is only for the beginner. If you are a beginner and you just have started your journey towards learning towards learning English language, so you have to follow and you have to implement this method in your life, and that's how you will able to speak. So yeah, it has a benefit. It has a lot of benefit. It has a lot of benefit. So you should also implement in your life, or many people implement when they start to learn new language, or like English spoken. Even I have applied in my life. Initially when I started, I used to listen a lot, then I speak with myself a lot. And these days, as I spoke, in my previous videos all the time, with my co-learner, that these days I'm trying to focus on like reading. And once I will feel confident that I'm able to read like each and everything, or my reading skill is improved, then I'll move on to writing, to enhance my writing skill. Anyway, now talking about that, can reading skill or writing skill help us to be to like become better, or to become fluent in this language? So yes, it can also help you. It has a benefit. You should read, like apart from speaking, listening and speaking, you should also read books and write as well. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 points regarding reading skill, that what to read and how to read. The first point is that that you have to choose, or you have to pick the book which are suitable to your current English level. Which means if you're a beginner, so you have to read only basic books, just like comics book and short story books, and kind of paragraph you can read also. And apart from these things, if you don't have like physical books, uh, so you can read an article on the internet. You can read like current news, what happening in the current time. uh, you just have to search on Google, or you can read like article to enhance your reading skill. The second point is that read regularly. uh, it means that you have to read every single day. You have to set time each day, that around like 10 to 50 minutes you have to read every single day. Because when you read regularly, that's how you will able to enhance your reading skill. And after a time you will realize that uh, your reading skill is just increasing, or getting improved, like every single day. uh, the third point is that keep a dictionary always with yourself. It means whenever you read like article or books or paragraph or any comics book or any short story, you will always get to know new words, unfamiliar word, or unknown word. So you should have dictionary. So whenever you will get to know new new words, so you can easily find out like Hindi meaning of that particular word, and like sentences, whatever you have read in that like articles or books. So you should have keep you should have dictionary as well. uh, Again, if you don't have like physically, these are three like things point you have to follow. The first thing is that you have to choose only those books which are which are suitable for you, which means you can read easily. And the second thing that you have to read regularly, because you have to maintain consistency when you start reading. And the third point is that you should always have keep dictionary. Yeah, so that's all for the like for reading, to enhance your reading skill. Now moving to writing skill. So again, I will talk about, or I will share with you three points regarding writing skill. So the first point is that practice. You have to practice. To write. How to write. How to write, which means like where you have to put the grammar, rules. You have to maintain, or you have to follow grammar rules and regulation when you read, sorry, when you write. So there is no doubt that you should have you know basic knowledge about grammar, so that you can write correct sentences and correct sentences and words. uh, the first point is that you should have like at least basic knowledge about grammar. The second point is that I feel that you should also have knowledge about how to frame the sentences. See how you can do it, how can you practice to how to frame the sentences. And basically you have to write. So like the whole day, whatever you do, like from morning to till night, you can try to write in your own words or in your own sentences. If you write something wrong, or some sentences if you write wrong, so no worry, you can practice, you have to practice. And the third point is that it's not the last but the least, that you have to enjoy the process. If you will enjoy this process, uh, from reading to writing, that's how you will able to get to know more about these things, and you will get to know, or that's how you will able to speak fluently. And that's how you will confident to yourself that I am able to write, I'm able to read, I'm able to speak, I'm able to speak confidently. So yeah, that's all for today.